you guys noticed how ants always show up under your feet because they know humans are always eating? Well, I dropped a pine nut and this little guy scored. He's gonna be a hero when he gets back to the colony. This is my first time having an eclair. I didn't expect it to be so light. It's like biting into air. For me, I prefer things that are a little bit denser. So I have 2 blueberry, a chocolate, orange cranberry, banana nut, and apple cinnamon. The tart cranberry overpowers the muffin. Like, I don't taste any orange at all. All I get is that tart cranberry. Okay. I know you guys are like probably triggered because I'm taking off the muffin top. But I hate the sugar. I really hate the sugar. Anyway. I wish it had cinnamon swirl because the cinnamon is very light tasting. But I love the apple chunks.
Why do you knock at the door?
Excuse me. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me on Working Shopper. I just picked up some celery for juicing. beets and carrot and apple makes it sweet. The celery dilutes the sweetness. And then at the back of your throat, you get that ginger. Pow! That was good. That was good. So this morning I'm having some berries. Got strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Having a banana. And yesterday I bought some muffins. This morning I'm gonna try the blueberry muffin and a little bit of the chocolate muffin. Yesterday there was a fire on the road. From the looks of it, I think fuel was burning because the entire trailer was on fire. Thick black smoke. And as I'm driving by, I'm trying to see what's burning, but it was engulfed in just a huge flame. The cops got to the scene first, and as I'm driving towards it, I'm like, oh my God, something's going to explode. But I think the fuel was already burning out. The cops and the driver of the truck were standing right there. So I guess there wasn't a risk of anything exploding. As I'm driving past, I can see the fire engine coming. But that was scary. A lot of people now are getting those gas cans. I used to have a gas can too, but I couldn't keep it in the car because all I smelled was the gas. There's so much sugar on this muffin. I mean, really, is that necessary? Okay, let's break into it. This is the blueberry muffin. I love it when you can see that the blueberries were plump. Probably not as plump as this, but definitely fresh, plump blueberries. That's a good muffin. And it doesn't need all the sugar. It's sweet enough. You can't eat that part. Okay, let's go for the chocolate. really dry. You know? Yeah. It's a no for that one. I'll go back to the blueberry. When you bite into this, you can hear the moist. Blueberry is where it's at. I usually don't eat bananas in public just because, I don't know, people get ideas in their head. Oh, you're opening it the wrong way. You're supposed to open it from the other end. That's how monkeys do it. And I just looked at her and I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't know any monkeys. Just because monkeys open it that way, you know, doesn't mean that humans have to. That was perfect, and I'm filled up. I got my vegetables, my fruit, I got my treats all in the same meal. Anyway, thank you for joining me in the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had something delicious to eat as well, and that your day is going great. I will see you in the next video. Bye.